Baby, welcome to the party.
Hey guys, how are we? Today I'm going to be discussing a bit more about my story and how I started. I know in the intro video it was a bit basic and it wasn't, a full overview of how I started, the ups and the downs. Like I said, I'm going to get into it a bit more to what I had previously in that video. But my story, like I said, originated and started when I had started with Infinite Prosperity, which was Lewis Mocker's trading education. All of those posters just up there, they are all a part of Infinite, and that's how we learn. And that was awesome, but I probably didn't grasp everything enough when I first started, and I thought I was better than the markets, pretty typical of, traders that start out. But I'd done Lewis's course, I finished it. I thought I could master the markets in a matter of 3 months, no worries. But then what happened with myself was I found your signal groups, I found account management and all this, and I was just really overworking a 9 to 5. And I thought I'd give it a crack. I'd found out from someone that there was one that was meant to be pretty good. But in the end, I actually ended up losing about a little bit over $5,000. And in the grand scheme of things, $5,000 isn't a whole heap of money, especially in trading. But to me at the time, it felt like I'd lost everything and I'd got in this emotional rut, as you would. But it's one of those things where I'm so grateful for having the setback, because it taught me early on that, the whole get rich quick thing with trading is just not real. There might be an anomaly out there, I don't know, but for me it just wasn't going to happen, and I'm glad it went down the way it did. At this point in time back then, obviously I wasn't too pleased with the loss or how everything had gone, but I am so grateful that it happened and I learned from it. And that's what matters in trading. I think the biggest thing you can do, is learn from your mistakes. You have to learn from your losers. I then went on to do a bit of scalping because that's how I felt confident and comfortable. I was putting lot sizes far too large down on the account that I was running, and I had no risk management. I had no nothing. But over time, as you learn and progress, you start to realize that you have to treat trading like a business. That's the reality of it, When I started, like many, I didn't. But the advice I can give to traders that are starting out is please get yourself some education through a group that you believe there is plenty of great groups out there in terms of education these days. I know the Forex space in general has, a bit of negativity and there's a lot of scammers and all that sort of thing, but there is groups out there that will really help you progress with your trading. I'm fortunate enough to have found a great group now and a community that is just unbelievable and amazing, but it took time. I've been doing it, like I said, for a little bit over a year and a half, and I realize that mindset is such a big part of trading. Like, you need to have a winner's mindset. You need to learn how to control your emotions. It's these kind of things that are going to change you and make you the trader you want to be and that consistently profitable trader. I'm not there just yet. I can feel that I am on the brink of it, but once again, I've been doing it for a year and a half. You might do it in 6 months, and if you do, I applaud you. I really do. I wish I could have done it in 6 months. I wish I'd had someone to tell me the things I'm saying now. But don't let yourself get sucked in to these scammers, these people that just want to make a profit off you, off their signals and off just money management and them managing your account. Look, don't get me wrong, there might be groups out there that genuinely can and will help you and you'll get an amazing return. I just was unfortunate in that respect and I learned from it, I won't let that happen to myself again. I won't ever go down that path again, and I want to be accountable for my own trading. So it's down to you. Please just remember, minimize risk, learn how to manage your trades, learn trading. But the most important thing with trading is going to be mindset. Learning how to read charts and all that sort of stuff, it comes over time. It's backtest. Just keep backtesting. That's something that will help you so much in the long run. Like when you start backtesting, I know it's going to be probably pretty hard to stay focused and enjoy the whole process, but find ways that you can enjoy the process, because you can. I'm now at a point, and I have the community I'm a part of to thank pretty greatly for that I really genuinely enjoy backtesting. But go through it, be thorough, understand pair characteristics, understand why each pair moves the way it does, how it moves after this kind of move, what usually happens, what is a repetitive thing that keeps happening with that individual pair. Learn pair by pair, year by year. Take your time frame by time frame if you're going to trade more than one time frame. That's every strategy has different things you'll need to learn, but I promise you, when you start backtesting and you really put in everything with backtesting, you will become a different trader. And only now have I realized these things, just recently, and I have the group I'm a part of, thankfully, to thank for that. Sometimes it's just that one little thing in your life that you need to change and everything just clicks kind of thing. But that's what's happened to me now. And please, do your own research. Don't take everything I say as, hey, it's all true, it's all correct, or it's wrong, or do your own research. I'm sure there's others out there that will have the same stories. I've never had any luck with signal groups, like I said, or money management Forex teams or whatever. There might be ones out there that work. I don't know. That's all I can really say. I appreciate you guys coming back to watch a new video. There's obviously going to be others coming, but we're going to just start it off more so as sharing our story, what happened, how we got into it, our progression, and then we'll start doing a bit more in terms of teaching as we also grow. I mean, I'm growing day by day now just because of what I am doing with myself and my trading and all of that. But please, guys, give us a like, subscribe just down below. Give us a follow on Instagram. It's Meho_FX. I'll put that just here for us. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Thank you. Bye. Peace.